Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own song on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. For those who do not know, Suno is an AI app which will help you create music, lyrics, and everything on your own using AI. So let's go ahead and start. Open Suno.ai on any of the browser you have on your PC and log into your account. After you log into your account, on the left hand side right below home you can see create. Go ahead and click on create. I'm just gonna go ahead and describe the things which you really want. So the first thing is lyrics. So you can enter your own lyrics or describe a song and click surprise me and write about the lyrics which you really want. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see style of music. If you want to enter the style of music yourself, you can just go ahead and write it down. You can add in multiple music styles and it will just go ahead and go on right beside the comma icon. You can write in your own genre or style of music as well. So if you scroll a bit down, you can give in the title of your song. The title of the song is quite important as well, as Suno AI will take the reference from title and it will mean a lot for the song. So let's go ahead and start writing the lyrics. So what you need to do is write down exactly what you want. So if you don't want to write something and want to create something from Suno AI, you can see the surprise me icon. Just go ahead and click on it. After you click on it, immediately Suno AI will work on and you can see this lyrics has been created. If you want to edit it, you can do it instantly. And you can see now, scroll a bit down, you will find style of music. You can just go ahead and write down the genre which you want. After you write it, just go ahead and scroll down, write down the title, and then click on create. So you can scroll a bit up and you can see this option over here. So this is the V3.5, which is the newest model, better song structure, and maximum of 4 minutes will be used. But if you want to shorten the song a bit, you can use the V2 and V3 option as well. But I suggest you to use the V3.5 option because it has a better song structure option. So go ahead and select it. Now scroll all the way down and click on create. If you want the instrumental of this song, you can just go ahead and click instrumental and the instrumental of this music style will be created. But as we want the lyrics and song, you can disable this and then click create. In a while, Suno AI will soon create a song. As you can see that this is really quick and efficient. You can use this for non-copyright audios as well, and you can share it with your friends. So you can see that this song has been created. Now you can turn it to public and people can reach it and like it as well. So you can go ahead and play the song which you just created. So you can see the emo punk and emo rap genre has been perfectly applied to the song and the lyrics which I just wrote using Suno AI. You can do that too. Let's go ahead and try this and create new music using Suno AI. I hope this video about how you can create your own music, song and lyrics using Suno AI was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.